Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to check and view your GCash balance without opening a GCash app using Globe One applications. Kaya stay tuned ka lang para malaman ang buong method nito at start na natin. So kung wala ka pang Globe One applications ay kailangan mo lang itong i-download at i-install. So para ma-download at install ay go ka lang sa Google Play Store. So open mo lang yan and then search mo lang dito yung Globe One and then kailangan mo lang itong i-install. So once na-install mo na siya and then kailangan mo lang i-register ang iyong Globe or TM mobile number. So once na-register mo na and then next step, so back lang tayo. And then kailangan lang natin i-open yung Globe One applications natin. Right? So click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na dito yung ating Globe One applications homepage. So ang next step ay dapat nakalink your GCash account mo dito sa Globe One app para ma-view natin yung ating GCash balance. So reminder ko lang, hindi naman magagalaw yung laman ng GCash mo dito unless nagagamitin mo dito sa Globe One applications as mode of payment. So yung iba kasi parang may agam-agam sila or may takot sila baka daw mabawasan yung balance ng kanilang GCash. Pero guys, hindi naman mababawasan kasi matagal na akong nakalink dito sa aking Globe One applications ang GCash account ko, right? So kung paano ba natin i-view and i-check yung GCash balance natin, so dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung view details. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step ay makikita mo kaagad dito lang sa gitna yung GCash balance natin. So nandito na siya. Right? So kahit hindi mo na i-open yung GCash applications mo, kung gusto mo lang i-check or i-view yung balance mo kung ilan na yung laman ng account mo ay pwedeng-pwede gamit lang dito sa Globe One applications. So makikita mo dito yung ating GCash balance mga kaibigan, nandito siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-check or i-view yung balance natin. Right? And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.